Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create a high saturation filter to make your video looks amazing on CapCut. So here I've already prepared a video. You can actually use any video that you want, and then after that go to adjust and use the settings. So first go to the temperature and increase it to around 20 like this, and click on the hue and increase it to around 46, fade 9, and then click on the grain and increase it to around 15. Okay, and then click on the filter, find the movies category, and then select the high saturations. Okay, click on the check icon, and now you are done with the high saturation filter, and here is the result. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment. And last, please click on the thanks below. I will really appreciate that. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.